friends, welcome to my channel Codologic. Today we are going to see about the different ways to add an element to the list. There are 4 methods to add an element to the list: append function, insert function, extend function, or we can use concatenate operator. The first 3 are the inbuilt function that is particularly available for list data type. So the syntax for these ways to add an element is list.append, list.insert and list.extend. We'll see this in detail in Jupyter Notebook. I now open my Jupyter Notebook. Let's see first about the append function. The append function is used to add an element at the end of the list. Let me give an example. Now I am taking an example as list1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and I am running this. Now I am going to add a data type int to this list. I am adding 7. So if I run this, if I print list1, I'll get where 7 is added to the list1. The data type will be added at the end of the list only. Let me give another example. List1.append. I'm going to now add a character to the list. So if I run this code, see the character A is added at the end of the list, and another list can be added to this list. I said already it can be any kind of data type. So I'm going to add 4, 5, 6. So if I print the list 1, I'll get, it will be printed as a list only where the whole list will be taken as 1, count as 1. So let me add now tuples. Tuples 1, we'll add a character now, 1, B, C. If I print that, I'll get like this. So an append function is used to add any kind of data type. It may be a list, tuple, character, integer, floating point to the end of the list. So let's now see about the insert function. This insert function will add an element to a specified index that we are specifying in the input. So let me give an example. List2 equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So now I want to add an element at the second position, that is 6. Give an example. Dot insert. The first argument that we are giving is index position, that is 2, and the number we want to add it at that place. So I am going to give as 3. So if I run this code, the output will be 2, 4, 3, 6, 8, 10. Where the input with the number we are specifying will be added at that index, the other element will be shifted to the right. See, I am running the code. See, 2, 4, 3 is added, and 6, 8, 10 is shifted to the right at by adding one index. So like that. So this insert function is used to add an element. Let me give another example. Insert 2 or 3, I'm going to add a list A, B, C. Let's see the output. List 2, I'm running the code. See, at the third index position, the list is added and the other elements are shifted at the right. So this is the insert function that we see now. Let's see another function now. Now let's see about the extend function. This function is very similar to the append function, but there are some constraint in the data that we are adding in the extend function. Let me give an example. List3 equal to John, Ron, Sam. I am running this code. Now I am going to add in extend function. The input that we are adding to the list can be in the form of set, tuple, list only. It cannot be an integer. So extend. So I'm going to add a list now. 1, 2. If I run this code, so I get like this, where each element in the list that we are adding is taken as an iterable. Let me give another example. List3 dot extend. Now we are adding string Ram. Now I am running this code. If I print this list3, I'll get like this, where every element in the string that we are passing will be taken as an iterator. R will be stored in one position, A will be stored in one position, and M will be stored in another position. So another example, extend. And now I'm going to add tuple. 1, 4, 5. Add this. If I run this, I'll get like this. 1, 4, 5 is added separately. Not like the append function where everything is added in the one index position. Here everything is added separately at different index position. So this is about the extend function. Now let's see about the concatenate operator plus sign. This is used to add 2 or more lists. Let me give an example. List 2 plus list 3. So this concatenate operator is used to add 2 or more lists together. So if I'm list 2 is already defined and list 3 is also already defined. So list 2 plus list 3 together, we get the whole list, where list 2 and list 3 is added. So this concatenate operator is used to add only the list, not with any data type. Like I'm giving an example. So if I add list to any data type, we'll get an error. So this is the function of a concatenate operator. So that's all the possible way that we can add an element to the list. I have also posted a hands-on that I did now in the GitHub repository. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please click the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.